Hey everyone, my name is Abdul Ahwan from Indonesia and welcome back to my channel. Today, we are going to talk about how to design as non-designer. But before we are going to the main topic of this video, I'm very grateful if you want to click the subscribe button to make this channel growing up. Okay, thank you so much and let's get started with my video. First of all, I want to say sorry for my English is not good, so if the words I use are incorrect, please help me to point out. Today, we are going to talk about how to design as non-designer like me. It sounds like something heavy, where only those who have artistic skill are allowed entry. The sheer volume of button and doohickeys in professional design program like Photoshop or Illustrator can send even the boldest of creative running for the hills. But now, there is good news for you. There are more tools than ever to help non-designers create stunning custom graphics, and they are very easy to learn. With a handy program and just a little design know-how, you will be creating impressive graphics for your brand or business in no time. Introducing PikBest, high-quality design platform that help us to create impressive design and bring our ideas to life. In PikBest, we can find many templates like brochure, business card, illustration, graphics element, PowerPoint, even user interface for webs and apps. And now, maybe you have any question where we can access PikBest website. The next step is we can open our browser. In this section, I use Google Chrome. Just opens and then we can type here PikBest.com. Make sure you have internet connection, because PikBest work with internet connection, and it will bring us to the PikBest website. Here we can see many templates here, graphics elements, background, PowerPoint, UI, video, and much more. We can scroll up, scroll down to see many templates here. Okay, and something we should know is PikBest have limited download if we are free user. So to get unlimited download, we should be premium user. Okay, the next step is we can log in or register with our social media. In this section, I use Google account. And here my PikBest account. Okay, in this section I will show you how to download UI design from the PikBest. We can select here on the navigation. We can choose UI, just press. Here, many UI design template here. We can scroll up, scroll down. We can search based on the category icons, apps UI, and then web UI. Because of I'm premium user, I can download unlimited template from the PikBest. So if you want to download unlimited template from the PikBest, you can select here unlimited download to be premium user. Okay, maybe I choose this template. And then we can see on the right side, you are welcome to embed this image in your website or blog. We can copy this, and then small size image for your website. We can copy this, and maybe we want to download this template. We can select this free download. Okay, we can see here Sleeper is the contributor of these templates. Okay, we can select here unlimited download because I'm premium user. Thanks for PikBest give me this premium user. Just select, and then we can select start download. Very simple to get stunning design, stunning template from the PikBest. Just find template and then select template, and then we can select download. We can get impressive design. The conclusion is this website can help me for developer to design, to get high quality design to be implemented in code and more, because design need more time and can wasting my time. Okay, I think enough my video today. If you have any question or comment, you can write it down on the comment field. Thanks so much, and see you again on the next video.